We're inside a nature sanctuary on the way to Agra. There's an owl sleeping up in the tree. In this nature sanctuary there's 375 different species of birds, supposedly. And there you have one owl sleeping. And way over in the field, there's some white storks. Try to bring it up so you can see. There's one flying there. This is the Indian mohan. The gray partridge. This is called the hopu. Cute looking little thing. Got a big beak.
Garden insects.
Very good picture of this one, but it's beautiful when it flies. It's got a big wingspan. Very still right now. This here is a tree pie, otherwise known as a tiger bird. Tiger bird, beautiful markings. Lapping bird. Sings nice. A lapping. They're singing to each other. This is the purple heron. Very still. Yeah, the white-breasted kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Along with birds, they've got some great character trees. Tiger birds. This is a white egret. This bird here is called the white ibis, and it's the national bird of Egypt. I can't remember what these ones are called. Some sort of heron or stork or crane. Beautiful. Baby one. So this is the Indian Saris crane with its baby. These ones are the purple moorhens. Oh no! It's a bird. No, it's a monkey. Cleaning another monkey. Crow. Pageant.
Kukal.
Clocal.
Kukal.
Ah. And the white Ingrid.
Egret.
Egret. Black Bing steel. This is a large white eaglet. We saw a small one earlier, but this is a much bigger one. Beautiful, really.
Called name is snakebird.
Snakebird.
Yeah.
And book name is Indian darter. Does it eat snakes?
Not fish. Fish.
Snakes? No.
Look like a neck snake type. Full of body in the water. Only neck is up. Look like a neck snake type. The beak called name is snakebird.
Oh, okay. Beak snake. Right. Kingfisher. It's a magpie robin. Kind of looking at us, looking at him.
So it's a magpie and a robin.
This is a palm tree, but these are beaver bird nests hanging from the trees. On the top of the tree here, all these things hanging are beaver bird nests. Birds everywhere here. Scattered throughout the marshes. Boy, is it beautiful here. Eagle, way up in the sky. What is it? Antelope?
Eel.
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 Emu. Don't know exactly what it is, but it's emu or something like that. Cute looking little animal. Here's a baby python.
हाँ इस बे python.
He's okay.
मुंह निकल रहा अंदर जा रहा बहुत छोटा होता है